Hey, we're going to look at this platform called FlaxxaWapi. I came across it because I wanted to use reply boots in my company. We're going to see how actually one of the coolest features in this app and why you should actually use FlaxxaWapi. Okay, I think that is the right pronunciation. Okay. Now the app is actually simple and makes communication easy. One of the features is you have direct messaging with the clients, with your contacts. You don't really need to switch off the app to go to WhatsApp, kind of do that communication. You can actually say, create and send campaigns. Okay. You can design and send effective WhatsApp campaigns with minimal effort. So there's actually mass sending. So if you kind of a person wants to send actually several people, you can do that. This is one of my main actually features is the auto reply bots. Don't leave your clients hanging. Set up auto reply bots to handle inquiries instantly, even when you are not available. Now, what happens with this auto reply bots is you, for example, after signing in into Wapi, FlaxxaWapi, you have a section like this. Okay, there is a dashboard for numbers, brand, contacts, templates, a lot of stuff. There's a section for reply boots. Now, reply boots, this is where you actually you can say maybe I'm in website design. I can say like maybe web design. Okay, so this boot is this configuration is meant for to handle website design, maybe inquiries. So you can say when welcome reply when someone sends you a fast message on WhatsApp, or you can say when someone sends me a message but it contains maybe like quotation. Okay, how will the bot reply? So uh, you can actually program how the bot can reply depending on what is in the messages. If someone mentions anything like where is your location, you can say maybe if a text has like something like where's your location, you can tell him, you can auto reply, let the bot auto reply by where is your location of the office. Okay, so when in a maybe in the bot when it when someone maybe sends you an inquiry and is asking about maybe a product name, you can easily program how the bot should reply. In other words, you can really program a lot of things with when messages contain something. Okay. On exact match, this is when actually you are sure if someone says maybe something exact, how much is this and this? Okay. So you can reply him with something. You can give different boot configuration different names to differentiate that this was made for website design, this was made for maybe um, malware cleaning, this was made for whatever it is that you're dealing in. So you can actually create different filters for different activities. All right. It's kind of really cool. And one of my main features that I love is the reply bots because there's a lady that actually has it. That's why I phoned about FlaxxaWapi. I almost chatted with this bot for almost like 2 minutes, not knowing actually it was a bot and it was giving me actually useful information. That's how actually cool FlaxxaWapi is. You can program it to answer depending on what people ask. Okay. Some of the best things can be handled by the bots. Then you have the chats inbox. Chats inbox, you don't really have to navigate away from the app. The chats in your WhatsApp can be actually synchronized within this app. The chats in your business, whatever business Facebook can be here. Okay. You have to actually configure your WhatsApp before you begin anything, something which I haven't done with this one yet. Then contacts can be imported here. You can have different brands here. You can add different brands. Um, you can, but it all becomes you have to connect your WhatsApp. Okay. Then the phone numbers you can actually start using the WhatsApp APIs. You must have a new number. So if you're going to use actually WhatsApp Business API, this one you have to actually register a number and you can choose from one of their providers. They are kind of many. I usually go with trial. this one Trilio, but also Numelo is good, and also the others. I think I've just tried out this one. Okay, and you can search, you can choose any number from any country. Okay, so the number is crucial if you're going to do a business WhatsApp configuration. If you're going to do a business configuration, you can't use your existing actual business number. You have to get a new number. Maybe that's may be inconveniencing to some people, but you need to have a new number. This is what I can say about FlaxxaWapi, but it's a cool platform if you need actually boot service in your company, in your customer care. Let me know what you think about this app, and don't forget to leave me a subscription. Don't forget to leave me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.